you're always true. If I ever were to settle down, it would have to be with you. But to fly or to sink, the feather or the anchor, never knew which one to pick. Oh, to fly or to sink, the feather or the anchor, never knew which one to pick. And I know that I have got a job, the money is real good. I thought that maybe this time possibly that I could, but I don't know how you do it. The humdrum of 9 to 5 is cutting off my senses, find it hard to feel alive. Oh, to fly or to sink, the feather or the anchor, never knew which one to pick. Oh, to fly or to sink, the feather or the anchor, never knew which one to pick. And you've brought me here, this lovely home, but the walls are closing in. And I've heard that the cage bird has sweet sound she cannot sing. So won't you open up the window and let me breathe the air? Just know I'll always love you, hope you take some comfort there. Oh, to fly or to sink, the feather or the anchor, never knew which one to pick. Oh, to fly or to sink, the feather or the anchor, never knew which one to pick. 'Cause it's dragging me down, dragging me down. The feather or the anchor, never knew which one to pick, dragging me down.